Hello and welcome to Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube and want to see our current inventory or specific pictures of this exact unit, please go to sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're going to show you a 2020 brand new arrival at dealership Jeep Rubicon 4-door. This Rubicon has got pretty much almost every bell and whistle on it. And without further ado, I'm going to do a walk around, kind of give you some of these features. On the front of this vehicle, it does have the upgraded LED lighting system on this specific unit, which is a rare option on most Rubicons. Most guys don't add them. This one specifically does have that option. Also, as you can see, it does have the three-piece black painted hardtop, which is another really nice feature. You can also get this in non-painted, so it's just like a matte black finish. Onto the back of the vehicle, you're going to notice at the bottom that it does have your trailer tow. So with the trailer tow, you're going to get your Reese hitch. You're also going to get your 7 and 4 pin wiring hookup on your left-hand side there. On the specific unit, you're going to get a real nice 17-inch rim wrapped in a BF Goodwrench, extremely nice meaty tire for when you're off-road. But not too meaty where it sounds rough when you're driving down the road. It actually has a very quiet sound, which is another great feature. Another thing on the front here I didn't mention, it has an upgraded hood. Gives you the lure system on each side and the raise in the center. This specific unit does have power locks and power mirrors located on the driver's door. Leather seating with a red stitching throughout, along with the Rubicon logo on the two front seats. Automatic overhead LED lighting. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to notice that you're going to have four knobs, or four push buttons, and then a circle that says OK there in the center. What these 5 buttons actually do is they operate the cluster in between the RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge, which will give you a number of options, anywhere ranging from you can view what channel you're on your radio to your miles per gallon, how many miles till empty, your tire pressure, and even your miles per gallon, which is a nice feature to have. On this really nice upgraded touchscreen radio, you're going to notice it's going to have your AM, your FM, and your XM radio. It does have a media access where you can access media. You're going to also have dual climate controls, also an automatic climate control setting in this portion of the radio. You can set the passenger on 68, you can set the driver on 64, and it's going to blow out 2 different temperatures. And also you can put it on auto, where it'll automatically keep it at them temperatures and adjust the speed as need be. Plenty of apps built into this specific radio, whether you want to view your backup camera while you're driving down the road. There's all kinds of really nice features you can add to the bottom here to your control panel, which these down here can be adjusted as far as moved and put different things down here on the bottom row. This specific unit does have heated seats, and the heated seats have 3 settings. So they have a high, a medium, and a low. Also with this specific unit, it has a heated steering wheel, which is a very nice feature. Also, I didn't mention on the steering wheel, this current radio and vehicle have capability of actually hooking up your phone into the radio, and you can answer it by pushing these 2 buttons on your steering wheel. So you no longer have to reach for your phone and pick it up. You simply hit the button and the conversation will generate through the speaker system. Really nice feature. Underneath the radio, you're going to have all your knobs. On the outside is for your radio. The ones in the center is also your manual access for your heat and your climate control, so you can adjust it right here instead of going into the radio. And also you're going to have your heated steering wheel and your heated seat option, front defrost and rear defrost option at your fingertips also. This specific unit does have start-stop feature, so when you are at a red light and you have your foot on your brake, the vehicle can shut off as far as the motor. Everything inside the cab will still function as normal, whether it's your radio, your heat, and your air. All of your gadgets will operate as normal. As soon as you take your foot off your brake, when the light turns green, the motor will automatically start back up and you'll be off to the races. Hill descent, your power mirror or your power windows are right here. 12-volt DC charger, all your media plugs from your auxiliary to your USB are all located right there. You also have 4 auxiliary switches in case you want to do any adding, as far as example would maybe be a light bar on the front. You can plug them right into your auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2, auxiliary 3. Really nice feature to have. Your manual shifter for your 4-wheel drive high and low. Also on this, with this specific unit, it does have the 3-piece hardtop like we said. How that 3-piece hardtops works is the driver's section can come off, the passenger section come off, and then the rear whole section can come off. So you can take off the 2 front sections if you'd like. They're very light. They weigh about 20 pounds a piece, so one person can do it very comfortably. As far as the whole back section, it usually takes 2 people just because of the awkwardness and how big it is. Also above your driver's seat, you're going to notice that you have 3 buttons for your garage door openers, so you can program your garage door openers directly into this specific unit. You no longer have to carry them around. Nice feature to have. Also in the top, in between the driver and passenger front seats and the rear bench, up top you're going to notice 2 speakers on each side for your surround sound system in this specific unit. Leather seating just like the front with the red stitching. Center compartment for your armrest and cup holder. AC plug, USB plugs, and your power windows right here. Throughout, this vehicle does have rubber floor mats front and back for easy cleaning when they do get muddy or dirty. In the back of this vehicle, as you can see, there's plenty of storage for your day-to-day travels. And inside this bag right here is actually a really nice carrying case for them 2 front pieces on that hardtop. Since they are painted, this case is extremely convenient. You can put them in there. They do have a fabric liner inside, so you don't have to worry about them getting scratched. And they will lay flat in between in this back section right here. And again, this is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler. It's a Rubicon edition. It's got almost every feature you could put on a Wrangler on this specific unit, from the LED lights to the tow package to the painted hardtop to the upgraded front hood, all kinds of heated seats, touchscreen radio, all kinds of goodies inside. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you're guaranteed to be one of the first people to view one of our new arrivals to the dealership. Hit that like button, throw a comment down below. And if you want to see, and you're on YouTube and you want to see more individual pictures of this specific unit or all of our Jeep Wranglers in stock, please visit sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And like always, for the guaranteed